Hi viewers, I am back with another new Skillpass situational video. Today's topic is TV. So let's start the video. Guys, in this segment, you may face a total of 3 questions in VFS Global interview. Today I will share you all the questions and the correct simple answers. Question number 1, what is TV? The TV means television. It is the device that shows news, movies, and different programs for information and entertainment. Question number 2, do you watch TV? The answer is yes, I watch TV sometimes in my free time. It helps me relax and stay updated. Question number 3, what type of programs do you like to watch? The answer is to watch news, cooking shows, and educational programs because they help me learn new things. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you learn these questions and answer, definitely gonna help you. If you want more Skillpass videos, please make sure to follow the page and share this video to others.